Did you know you can run Stable Diffusion online without downloading anything or needing a high-end computer? To get started, open your browser and go to rundiffusion.com website. Here, you'll need to create an account. Just enter your details and sign up. Once done, check your email inbox for a verification link. Click on it, and your account will be activated. Now, sign in, and let's move on. Next, you'll see an option to choose an AI model. Select Focus AI, then tap on Continue. RunDiffusion gives you 25 cents for free. If you need more funds, you can add them later. For now, just leave it as it is and click Continue. In this page, you can change anything before launching. Now, the final step, click the Launch button, and the server will begin setting up. While you wait, a survey might pop up. Now, it's time to create AI images. Enter your prompt, hit Generate, and watch as Focus AI transforms your ideas into stunning images. Once you're happy with the result, simply tap the Download icon to save it to your device. Now you can run Stable Diffusion online without any high-end hardware. If you want to learn more about Focus AI, check out our Focus AI playlist for more tutorials. Plus, RunDiffusion offers many other AI tools. Just pick one, pay for the session, and start creating. Make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.